Why is the FMLA, serious health condition definition, ambiguous? Imagine trying to draw a clear line around what counts as a serious health condition under the Family and Medical Leave Act. It's not as simple as it sounds. The law covers a wide range of health issues, but it doesn't give strict rules for every situation. This makes it tricky for employers and employees to know exactly what qualifies. The definition includes many different medical situations. For example, it covers hospital stays, chronic illnesses that flare up periodically, pregnancy-related health problems, long-term or permanent conditions, and treatments like chemotherapy or dialysis. Since the law doesn't list every possible illness, many conditions could potentially qualify, but it's not always clear which ones do. Another reason for the confusion is the requirement of continuing treatment by a healthcare provider. But what exactly counts as continuing treatment? It could mean regular doctor visits, medication management, or physical therapy. The law doesn't specify, so what one employer considers ongoing treatment might be different from another's interpretation. The law also mentions incapacity lasting more than 3 days. But how do you measure incapacity? Is a bad cold enough? Usually not, unless there are complications. Still, some illnesses sit in a gray area, making it hard to decide if they meet the criteria. The severity and duration are not always straightforward. Employers can ask for medical certification to verify a health condition, but they can't request detailed medical records to protect privacy. They can only get enough information to confirm the need for leave. This limited information can make it hard for employers to judge whether a condition qualifies as serious. The definition also overlaps with other laws, such as the Americans with Disabilities Act. Since these laws have different rules, employers may find it confusing to follow both at the same time. This overlap adds to the ambiguity. For workers, understanding if their health issue qualifies can be uncertain. They might worry about whether they will be approved for leave or not. For employers, applying the rules consistently becomes a challenge, which can sometimes lead to disagreements or legal disputes. Overall, the broad scope of what counts as a serious health condition, the flexible treatment requirements, and the privacy limits all contribute to why the Family and Medical Leave Act's definition remains ambiguous. It's a balance between protecting employee rights and respecting medical privacy, but it also leaves room for interpretation.